Good morning. It's Jenna. What time is it?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? What are you gonna do today?
Right before school?
It's what?
It's right before school.
Look at me. What time does school start?
7.
What time does school start?
7.
No, it doesn't. It starts at 8.
I didn't know that.
Yes, you did. Okay, so this is my morning thing. Now it says I think I have to count down again. Just say, what are you doing?
I'm
You gonna put on a bed? Oh wow. My word. Okay.